Hey everyone, so one of the things that I'm not a big fan of about the Oculus Quest is the headset's built-in audio coming from the arm of the headset that roughly directs the sound to your ears. So it's basically an open design where everyone around you can actually hear your VR experiences. Now the audio quality is decent at best, but at times I feel like I'm missing bits and pieces of the VR experiences because of the quality of the sound. So a lot of the VR experiences I play sounds pretty flat when I'm listening to the stock audio from the headset, but thankfully we have options to enhance the audio. So let's get into it. So guys, I'm gonna briefly go through more of the pricey ones to the more affordable ones I use to help improve the audio of the Oculus Quest. So option 1, now this is not really for everyone, especially if you want an affordable solution. Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless SE headphones is priced at $210 that is geared towards for gaming. It's actually one of the better ones I use for the Quest headset, but also use it for other things like listening to music, watching movies, or even occasionally playing some flat games on my PC. So as far as the build quality, it has a nice premium feel with this brushed gunmetal aluminum on the ear cups surrounded by this plastic matte finish. The other side of the cups is this soft memory foam wrapped in this leather-like material. It's actually pretty soft and plush, and it's just thick enough where my ears are not touching the drivers, but this all of course depends on the size and the angle of your ears. And the headband itself is also wrapped in the same material. And right in the middle of the ear cups exterior, it has their logo where it's actually RGB lit. I certainly love the subtle details in this earphones. Now, like I said in my other videos, comfort is subjective and this depends on your head and ear shape and size. And I've worn these 3 hours straight. I haven't had any issues with it so far, but I wouldn't say these are the most comfortable because it can feel a bit snug after a few hours of wearing it, but at the same time, it can help with sound isolation, and I want to point out it does get a bit warm on your ears if you wear it too long. It's easy to adjust where you can actually pull this thing up and down. It has 10 incremental adjustment options that's marked by these ruler indicators. It also has these metal hinges where it connects the headbands and the ear cups. You can actually rotate these cups where it sits flat, so you can easily store them in a travel pouch that they actually provide you. And there's actually a good amount of flexibility to adjust to different head shape and sizes. So as far as the audio, it's built around a 40mm driver. It's actually great for the average listener, and if you're looking for the perfect audio experience, then this is probably not the headphones for you. The biggest complaint for me is it lacks a bit of bass. Now, it doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities, but it is wireless. It works with a 2.4 GHz USB dongle, so I use this when I'm playing PC VR games like Half-Life Alyx because you can direct the audio to the headset from your computer settings, but they do supply some cables to hook it up to your 3.5mm jack on your Quest 2, but it's about 64 inches long. But there are other cables out there that you can purchase. I have the 18-inch cable, and this particular one only costs $10. And again, if this is too expensive, of course there's other options. The Oculus store sells the Logitech Pro Gaming headphones as well, and that costs $100. And then the Logitech Gaming earphones, that costs $50, so you might want to check those out as well. I'll leave all the links in the description if you are interested. So one of the disadvantages of using headphones, it's a 2 or 3 step process when it comes to taking it on or off your headset. So for instance, when it comes to taking it off, you have to unplug your headphones and then take the headphones off and then take off your Quest headset. So if you find those steps cumbersome, there are options like the Deluxe audio strap that not only provides better comfort for the Quest headset, but it also offers a attached earphones with the strap itself, which definitely helps improve the audio for better immersion. So this method simplifies the process when putting it on or taking off your Quest headset. It just really becomes part of the Quest headset without worrying that you need to plug or unplug something when you take the headset on or off. So the Deluxe audio strap itself costs $100, but you're going to also need adapters to attach the headset, and adapters can cost around $20 to $25. I think this is a good alternative if you find the stock strap uncomfortable or even replacing the broken Elite strap. I'm not going to go into too much details about this strap because I have talked about it in my other videos. I'll leave a link below if you are interested in finding out more about the strap. So another possible option is attaching a clip-on VR headphones onto your Quest 2, and this one costs $43. These headphones are by a company called MYJK. You can actually use these with your Elite strap or your stock strap. Personally, I use them all the time with my Elite battery strap. For the price point, I think it's great sounding, definitely louder than the built-in audio with improved bass. Basically brings a richer VR experience. Very lightweight, easy to install, the padding around the earphones are soft to the touch. I actually find them pretty comfortable. The only thing I want to point out is the 3D printed bracket can be a bit snug on the Elite strap when you slide them in. I think the bracket needs to be a touch wider, but it's made to stay tight where it doesn't slide while playing your VR experiences. And if you want more details about these earphones, I also did a video on this as well. I'll put a link in the description. Now, if you find the other options I mentioned out of your budget, there is a low cost way of improving the audio. There's a product called Ear Muffs for the Quest 2 headset, and it only costs $12.99 US, and it's by a company called AMVR. Now, what basically it does, it amplifies and redirects the sound from the audio from the headset back into your ears, so it reduces a lot of the sound loss from your VR experience, and at the same time reduce the noise outside your playing area. And there's no wires or hookups to a 3.5mm jack or anything like that. It's a really simple design, and it only comes with some instructions of how to install it onto the headset and a warranty card. As far as the material, it's made of a soft flexible silicone. So far it seems to be very durable and easy to clean with just a damp cloth. Now, it has a pretty clean design with lines that are embossed into the ear muffs. This particular one is in white that matches the headset pretty well, but they do have other colors. As far as the installation, you can apply this to the Elite strap as well as the soft strap. I'm going to go ahead and install with the soft strap, and it's actually the same steps for the Elite strap. So first step, you just have to detach the strap from the headset. And on the ear muffs, you'll notice it's marked with the L and R indicating left or right side. I'll go ahead and attach the left side first. So you'll see this opening here where you can actually slide the headset's arm into the slot. Just be sure to slide this all the way up to the top. Once you're done, attach it back to the headset by sliding it back into the space, and then attach it back onto the headset. And then do the same exact steps on the other side. And then you're pretty much done. You can actually check if it's attached correctly by pulling the silicone back a bit on the front and the back side. Now, in terms of how it works, since the small speakers are along the side of the arm of the headset, it basically tunnels that sound into that enclosed area here, and then projects the audio to the ear cups towards your ears. So you definitely hear the audio from the headset a lot better, plus it reduces the noise from the outside, but at the same time you'll also hear a bit of static coming through the Quest speakers on some of the VR experiences because the volume has been amplified. What's also nice about this, it also serves as a sleeve where it protects the arm of the headset from any dirt, because it can get pretty dirty if you're not careful, plus it's hard to clean. So with this thing on, we really don't have to worry about that because it covers the entire arm of the Quest 2, and the silicone material is pretty easy to clean, and it is waterproof. Now you'll notice the ear cups is positioned inside the strap where it sits around your ears. This will help reduce the sound from bleeding out from your headset. Because of the oversized ear cuffs, just be aware it can touch your neck from the side, but it is flexible enough that I personally didn't have an issue of being uncomfortable or being scratchy while using it, but comfort is certainly based on the individual. So overall, if you're on a budget, it's a decent option in amplifying the volume of the headset, plus it's one of the easiest solutions. As for the other options, it will enhance the audio, like providing a deeper bass, crunchier midtones, and increased immersion, but it comes at a cost, and depending on your budget, you may not want to spend even more money after buying a headset. So hopefully you guys find this helpful when deciding which audio solution best fits you and your budget. As always, if you liked the video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.